Hey guys, it's me Woody, and today I'll be showing you how you guys can help me fix my PS3 because my PS3 is not working. So yeah, I'm just gonna take out Grand Theft Auto out, so just in case it doesn't break. Come out. Okay, I'm gonna show you the reason why it's not working. As you can see, it's green and nothing's showing up on the TV. Just take out Grand Theft Auto out. Just put it there, and it is silent. So what's gonna happen is it's gonna turn off automatically, and it's not gonna show anything on the TV. And if you have the same problem, please tell me below please subscribe below, and maybe I'll try and find a way to fix this or not. And yeah, there it is. So, if you know how to fix this problem, please subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching guys, and see you later. This video has been really short, and kiss my ass.